This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. I hope everyone's had a great weekend and ready for a great week. Good morning, Mr. G. How are you today? Contract roll. I had to force TradingView to do it. Usually they're ahead of me. Yes, 56.83 in the low, 56.94 for the high. Is that right? Is that right? No, 99 for the high. Even so, small range, 16 points. NQ dipping, 680 for the low. No, that's not right either. 680. 784. It's the high. So about 104 points in range. Copper. About 140 ticks. Ooh, Ultra Bonds breaking out there. Still about half a point in range. Gold hit above 2,600 on Friday. Staying above there for now. 15-point range. Crude oil. Still below 70. Looks like a little under a point in range. Bitcoin sitting at 58.7. So that's where we sit today. There, whatever body posture you're choosing to take on this bright, sunny Monday morning. Actually, I don't know if it's sunny or not. It's kind of cloudy. Anyway, we are in the December contract. Actually, the two contracts have about the same volume. So I'm going to assume December gets more volume at the bell. Contract expires on Friday, so now's as good as time as any to roll. News this morning, U.S. Empire State Manufacturing Index coming up at 8:30. I think that might be it on news. Yeah, that would be it. See how today goes. Woke up in the middle of the night with a gastrointestinal issue, and I'm not sure it's stable, so we'll see. CNQ moving down here. ATR is 5. So we're going to shoot for our 5. Platinum with a big dump there. Not sure where that came from. A little bounce. Now we'll play the game of where is my phone? There it is. Continuing down here. Still falling. Everybody's quiet. Oh, blue candle pop. Hello, Forex Analysis 101. How are you? I'm hanging in there. Ended up being a 10-point candle. See if it continues here. Seems like it's running into a little wall of resistance. It's the first trade of the day. I just started streaming 8 minutes ago, so too early to tell. Doesn't seem to want to get above 693, 694 here. Come on. Go, 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 go. Red candle. Now, get out with a tick. We'll see how we go from there. Probably bounce back up, but yeah, trying again. Yeah, I should have stayed in. I knew that too. That's okay. Yeah, there's the U.S. dollar. Come on, that's a daily chart. U.S. dollar's been coming down all night. Mr. G, did you roll your contracts to December yet, or are you still on September? Okay. So did I, but I saw that the volume was about the same, so I was like questioning myself. Watching, waiting. Thought about taking the day off, but I didn't. And I think it wants to come up here, but so far doesn't have the oomph. Morning, Chris. How are you? Sitting here at 19,684 on the December contract. Yeah. Yeah, we've been kind of sideways ever since until this move down. I think we're going to be kind of choppy this week leading into the FOMC. FOMC and what, Mr. G? Oh, yeah. Good point. Good point. I don't see any way they actually let a shutdown happen before the election. Oh, yeah, that's right. I remember you telling me about that one. Still falling. Back down. Looked like it wanted to pop up, but it's failed. It's a failure. Yeah. Hey, yeah. I think it's going to be a crazy couple of months with the election coming up. I'm not at the moment. It's showing 7 likes, G. I need to refresh. Taking the long off that blue candle. See if it wants to pop up here. Not. It's a very tight stop. Maybe not as tight as I thought. 4.5 points. And we'll shoot for a tight target of that 9 EMA. Yeah, it's going to come right back down. Okay. Wasn't ready to pop yet. Morning, JC. How you doing? And just an FYI. Yeah, I'm fighting some gastrointestinal issues here. So, anxiousness. And if I quickly say, I gotta go, that means, I gotta go. China's trying to prop up their currency. Yeah, the rude middle of the night wake up. That's what I get for taking a week off of carnivore for my birthday. How's carnivore going for you, JC? Hey, Hassan. How are you? He says as I enter along. Yeah, I'm back on now until Thanksgiving. Nice, Hassan. Very nice. The market still wasn't ready for me to pop it up. Yeah, JC, I mean, that is probably best. I find it hard to give up cheese. Yeah. Forex analysis, more likely it's a few leaders that might hate America versus the entirety of the Chinese nation. There we go. Come on up. Yeah, hard to give up the cheese. I still have my problems with my addiction, my food addiction, but I'm fighting it. I guess I shouldn't say that. I mean I don't really have when I'm on the carnivore. I don't really have a craving for carbs, but I still overeat carnivore foods, especially cheese, which is why I'm thinking I might need to try giving up cheese for a little bit and see how it goes. Come on, one more tick. There we go. Target hit. 6.25 points. Huh. My cash register down went away. It's no longer on my stream deck. That's weird. I'll have to re-add that then. Morning, Juan. How are you doing? Looks like I got out at the perfect time. It went only one more point, and then look at this drop. That's a whoosh. My whoosh sound's still here. I'm not sure when my cash register sound went away. Look at that. Oh, that was our news. I totally forgot about the news. Mr. G is reminding me every minute there about the news, and I totally forgot it and almost held into the news. Got out at the right time, and then this drop. Let's see what the news was. New York Fed manufacturing 11.5. They expected negative 4.3. I consider that a pretty huge beat. And maybe a bounce. A beat and a bounce. Big candle here. Our big-ish. It's bigger than what we've been seeing, I guess I should say. 7 points. Decided not to take it. Think we're seeing a pullback, and we are. And glad I didn't take that blue candle. That would have been disaster. Falls. We are making new lows a day with every tick. Yeah, it was. Gee. May occasionally hear me yawn too, since I didn't get a lot of sleep last night. I usually try to mute, but I can't guarantee it. Still falling. I'm taking the long there off that blue candle. Let's see what happens. What's the worst that can happen? I'm in at 670.5. Comes up to that 20 EMA. There we go. Target hit. Boom. Another 6.25 points. I went one more tick and pulled back. Morning, John. How was your weekend? Did until last night. Well, continuing to pop here. Could have got more out of that trade, but I'm okay. I'm happy. So we head toward the bell. Nice, G. Swing low. Sweet retest. Coming forth to give us profits. Oh, sorry. Still rising here. Nice rise. I should have held. Oh, quick whip down. That was a quick reversal. Hey, Saudi guy, how you doing? Did you golf 18 on skates there, John? Oh, whoa, whoosh. All right, go ahead and ask, Saudi guy. $12.50. Thank you, Brad. Good morning, Rad. I seen that, John. Kind of amazing. I'm rooting for him. I really am. But you wouldn't have predicted that, John, 2 months ago. Yeah, you got out at a good time there, G. Kind of double top there. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yep, 15 minutes till top of the hour, 45 minutes till the bell. This blue candle trying to pop here, I don't know. Staying below the 9, so nothing yet. John, I woke up in the middle of the night with a gastrointestinal issue, and it was a rough night. Still not 100% sure I'm going to make it through the stream. I did think about not doing the stream at all today. Yeah. So if you hear me go a little quiet, it's because I'm dealing with a little bit of nauseousness. And if you hear me say, I gotta go, then I gotta go. Hey, Speed Racer, how you doing? Thank you, Rad. Yeah, I'm not sure what I ate or whatever to cause the issue. But getting back on the carnivore this week after taking off a week for my birthday. It was actually about 10 days. Hey Rod, how you doing? Yeah, it is. And I expect this week to be this week to be kind of choppy anyway with FOMC looming on Wednesday. See if this blue candle gets above the 9. Well, just that. Let's see if this blue candle stays above the 9. Does not. So thus I'm not interested. LSD, how are you? I love you, my friend. How you been? Getting any trading done? So you're trading some coffee for money. Still falling here, 19,665. It's a little wonky because of contract rollover, but I'm up so far, green on the day. And Q being a devil sitting at 666. Still sitting here, waiting, waiting. Blue candle breaking the 9, got 30 seconds on it. Backs down from the 9. No trade there. 6 minutes till the bell. Blue candle pop. Gonna take it if it stays. Ooh, big pop. Big. It's 6 points. Sitting on the 20. Taking long. Well, I took a long, so obviously not me. Come on. You know you wanna. There we go. Let's give him back. No, not yet. I'm still in and up 10 ticks. But I'm getting out there. Only got 7 ticks. But that a win's a win. And it looks like I got out at the right time. No, I'm trading the MyFundedFutures evaluation. Yep, top of the hour. Nice rise. Are we going to rise into the bell? Trying to pop back up. Came up, bounced down, bounced on the EMAs, trying to pop back up as we head toward the bell. And down we come. Pops up. That's a nice little doji. Yeah, if you hear me get quiet, it's my nauseousness taking over a bit. And whoosh, right back down. Anyone else taking any trades this morning? So not getting any sustained moves up. This is, you can see, over the last however much, keeps trying, pop there, slash down, pop there, slash down, pop, slash, pop, pop, splash, pop, splash. Morning, Ace. Wow, John, I wonder. Hello. Okay, you're gonna have to correct me if I pronounce your name wrong. Anya? Thank you. Thank you. You're reading my mind, Joe. Welcome to the stream. Glad to have you. Nice job, G. John, can you see any difference in what the market's doing versus what the bot thinks it should be doing? Is it something that you feel can be corrected? So, Joe, I'm nosy, so I like to ask questions of new people, but don't ever feel the need to answer them. Just tell me to shut up. But I always like to know how long someone's been trading and what assets they like to trade. Do you trade prop firms or your own money or both? Again, just ignore me if you prefer not to answer. Or tell me to shut up. Ace tells me to shut up all the time. Good morning, William. Okay, okay. Wow, you are really spread out on both assets and prop firms. John DeFore, is there any way you can prevent it from chopping? Is there any settings or anything? Still falling here in NQ? No, no, his algo is getting caught in chop. I appreciate that, William. So of those nine, 7. 7 assets. Joe, is there one you prefer over the others, or how do you decide what one you're going to trade? I'm just curious. Again, just tell me to shut up. I I look for stuff to talk about. Ace is looking for a short. Well, good job, John. Um, hey, Crypticon. John, I don't know. With that RB, I mean, it sounds like it has the ability to, be really good for you, but I think you might need a bigger account for it so it doesn't blow on when it has a bad day. Well, gee, we all take trades like that. Yeah, NQ's where I take 95% of my trades. Popping up blue candle. Three dojis. Yeah, you definitely need perseverance in this game. Refusing to quit. Just remember not to be spending more than you can afford to spend, is what I tell everybody. William, I think he needs Ninja Trader, though. He has an algo that's running on NT. Not with FTT. They don't have Ninja yet. Our Tradeify Ninja. Hey, Flat. Good to see you. Bulenox is a very good company, Joe. They're in my top 3. They're not gonna screw you around. It happens, Ace. It's Monday. I have a feeling I'm gonna lose this trade. But it's now only a 2-point stop. No, that's not right. It's a 4-point stop. It's a 4.5-point stop. Has not yet stopped me out. But now it has. No, still hasn't yet. Now it's stopped me out. So we'll get the next one. 3.5. Wait, I'm doing bad at math today. 4.5-point stop. We are 8 minutes until the bell. Sitting here at 663. So we're still splitting volume between the two contracts, and it's an FOMC week. So could be a tricky week. Remember on Friday, we're doing an overnight stream, London session from 2:30 a.m. Eastern Time to 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Me and RJ. Crypticon, that's a question for the Discord. I'm not an expert on Quant Tower. I have a stop, I have a target, and that's all, I really mess with there. There's people much better at Quant Tower than I am. Whoosh. Pushes down. My mistake on that last trade was waiting for the second blue candle instead of just going with the first. Would have been a much better entry, and I could have got my 5, 6, 8 points. Interesting bounce there. 5 minutes till. Market trend, I think Flexytrade does. Don't quote me on that because I don't know all of the features, but I'm pretty sure. I know they allow you to trade between Rhythmic accounts with at least one other Rhythmic. I've been told other people have been found a way to do it with more than one other Rhythmic, but I haven't played with it enough when I had it to try. Bounce and a pop. No RJ yet. Wonder where he's at. Big purple candle there. Let's get ready to rumble. My stomach's held up for 90 minutes. Let's see if it can do another 90. Alright, good luck on that, Joe. Short might have been the better option. You know about contract rolls, right? Because you're still on the September contract. Wow. Okay. Just making sure. Down 30. Will we bounce? Big bounce. Big bounce. I like big bounces and I cannot lie. Right back down. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. Does that deserve a second whoosh? Ooh, but look at the Dow. Huge move on the Dow upwards. ES is heading upwards. And Q is depressed. Yeah. The YM is like going crazy. What size accounts are you using, Joe? Oh, I wish I had been short something here. Wow. This dropped 80 points. I only longed once, Hassan. I've only lost. I'm up on the day. Um, if I could, okay, first of all, I never tell people how they should trade, so don't take it like that. But on a 50K account, until you have a really good amount of drawdown, you, my personal advice, and like I said, I know you're not asking for advice, so just ignore me or whatever, would be sticking to one contract on a 50K until you have a really good amount of drawdown. But again, unsolicited advice, just ignore me. Excellent. That's awesome to hear, William. Like right here, I really think we're going to bounce, but that always gets me in trouble. Our ATRs jumped to 13. I may take the next trade on micros if I take long. What background noise do you hear, G? Besides maybe a train. Did not take that bounce that I should have. Burrell's driving the work. Good job recovering on that crypt. Do you hear it when I mute, G? Nice bounce. Ooh, very nice bounce. Good job, Ace. Mad that I did not take that long there. We'll get the next one. Can't break through the 9. Sitting there. ES trying to bounce. Dow pulled back. Beautiful pullback on the Dow there. Let's see if it bounces. Crude oil seems to be going straight up. Wow. Crude back above 70. Gold still above 26. Okay, it's struggling here at 9. William, my opinion is if they do, it'll only be like 40% and not at the 60% level. Just can't get back through this 9 right now, but it's trying. Nice meeting you, Joe. See you tomorrow if you're around. You're good, John. I figured that's what happened. So this is going to go up without me. Yeah, John, it gets hard to keep straight. You know, there's my funded futures, funded futures network, funded futures family. Bull candle. Oh, no, not interested. The signal line and the RSI line are too far apart. Just wish I had listened to myself and said it was going to go long there. RJ was late last Monday too, now that I remember. Absolutely, from 2:30 a.m. till 11:30 a.m. All right. We'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow, RJ. Oh, nice big blue candle there. 23-point candle. Picking up what? Yeah, that'd be a good strategy, William. It'll take a lot of patience. Boom. Out there. 10-point trade there. That's a win. Should have stayed in. Could have got the 20. I hate myself. Oh, okay. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I agree. Absolutely, William. I got Ace. If you lost 12K in a real account, your family wouldn't be able to eat for weeks. You would have to take your Mighty Ox hoodie to the pawn shop. Oh, wait, William, you don't get charged the eval fee once you're funded with the TCP. The eval fee is only for the first stage. The problem is once you get into the live funded stage, then you're charged the CME data fees. But the CME data fees are just as bad. They're like, I think, 135. Still rising here, up to 661. Anytime you go on live, CME, and you're trading someone else's money, the CME says you have to pay professional data fees. One Up covers them, and Take Profit Trader covers them for any uh, of the exchanges that you used in the sim funded portion. Everyone else you have to pay. Then you don't get funded, Crypt. Yes, technically, William, they do have. They're the only ones that I'm aware of that allow you to supply your own data. So technically, you could open up a NinjaTrader account. Ooh, wow! Look at this burst up. You could open a NinjaTrader account, put $50 in it, or whatever the minimum requirement is, and use the data from that costs like $12 a month. But technically, you're breaking the CME rules by doing that because it's not professional data. Oh, really? See, I mean, I know I don't know if something's changed. I know like 2 years ago people were doing that with no problem. I have no idea how it is now, since I no longer interact with Earn to Trade. Hey, Burl. Burrell, you're too far inland to be getting hit with that tropical storm, right? Oh, now we're using big words like verbiage. Oh, yeah. Interesting. I would have no idea how to do that or how to set that up. All right, good. Wow, look at Rad trying to sell $16,000 worth of accounts. William and Rad are thinking at the same time there. We're hanging here just before the top of the hour. Back to 666. Well, look at the 5-minute chart. Look at that V. Whoosh. Whoop, 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 whoop. But do we have the Muffin Man? Blue candle trying to bounce here. Do I trust it? We'll see how it works. See where it goes in 42 seconds. I don't know if I would plan on a year out for anything in this industry. How late was I in? Holy crap, I was late. Only if you're exactly 20% consistency. Didn't we talk about this script? So you need exactly the same amount every day. So if you made $1,001.22 your first day, you would need exactly that amount the rest of the days. I shouldn't have taken this trade. Just shoot for the 10 days, Crypt. Oh yeah, missed the blue on the PL 2 candles ago. Yeah, it's just a gimmick, Brad. Everyone should just focus on the 10 days. Yeah, exactly. Yep, this is going to be a big stop. That did not work out. That was bad. Bad trade all around. Woo. I mean, you pay $100 for an account, you get $1,500 back. Rinse and repeat. And not what I would do, but yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's what I said. It's not what I would do. But I mean, if you think about it, if you think about it this way, you did that with 20 accounts. That's $30,000. Right? Yeah, $30,000, and you've paid $2,000. A little more. That's an excellent ROI. I should have taken this blue candle. This was my mistake, not getting back in. That would have given me at least 10 there. Actually, it didn't give me 10. Never mind. I take it back. Yeah, that's also what got people doing that is also what made Apex start going insane. Anyone else having rhythmic issues? Someone just said Bulenox is having rhythmic issues. Yeah, Rhythmic's having an issue. FTT's reporting an issue. Yep, yeah, major rhythmic issues with FTT and Bulenox. So, my opinion here is I think FTT's gotten so big, it's doing to the Rhythmic servers what Apex was doing to the Rhythmic servers before Apex got their own Rhythmic server. So I'm feeling these Rhythmic issues will go away once FTT gets their own Rhythmic server. Yes. I would suggest anyone that's on the general Rhythmic paper trading server to not take trades. So that'd be Bulenox, FTT, Earn to Trade. Don't know who's all still on the old Rhythmic servers. Tick Tick Trader, Phidias. I don't know if Uprofit has their own or not. Flexy, yeah, thank you, William. And this is why Apex Ninja. No, the Apex has their own server, John. And I think this is why Rhythmic doesn't upgrade that paper trading server because they want companies to put out the expense to get their own server. You're welcome, John. Yeah, I'm misreading the market now totally. Out. Totally destroying the day. Oh yeah, I agree. Tradeify was having issues last night actually. Crude's just absolutely going crazy today. If I had put my stop where it belonged on that trade, I would not have gotten stopped out, and I'll be in profit. Email just went out from Fast Track. The FTT team is aware of significant rhythmic issues this morning. It is our recommendation that you close all positions and halt trading until we get to the bottom of rhythmic directly. We'll be asking them to engage in migration to our private server immediately, and this will take some time. Ace, I thought you stopped wearing earrings. I did. Check your spam folder. Came right from Scott TradeDay, or however you pronounce his last name himself. Me neither. Pulls back here, purple candle, trying to entice me. Why would you ask a hooker for extra toast? Boy, down. Choppy. Oh, wow. Yeah, look at copper. Copper is having a day. I should have taken that purple. Been saying that too much today. Down to the 100 EMA. Sitting here at 674. How's everybody doing? Green, red, green, or somewhere in between? Pushes down below the 100. Nice little bounce. That purple candle, I missed that. That wasn't great. I didn't trust it because I had 100 EMA. I should have trusted it. Ooh, there's another purple. A scalp turned into a scratch. Slippage or just ended up that way? Ooh, hits that support on the trigger point perfectly. Let's see if it bounces there. Breaks through. I took a short on micro there. I didn't show it, but it was a win. Hold on, because I don't have a micro chart up. Hold on. I was in at 643, out at 635, so 8 points on 5 micros. Still falling though. William, CFT will be here on the 24th. Week from tomorrow. Continuing the whoosh. I got to start trailing. This has been a perfect trail for like 30 points. That's cool. Still, look at this go. Not afraid of falling. Bouncy bounce here? Nope, not yet. Still falling. Still falling. Going down to 603. Ooh, there's a possible blue candle bounce. Blue candle, but I didn't take it. See if it pops back up. Nope. Whoosh. Purple. Yep. I think I'm going to take that purple if it stays. Meanwhile, NQ continuing. Let me make sure I have a chart here. I do not have a chart. I'm not sure why, NinjaTrader hasn't been saving my workspace. Ooh, that purple might be too big purple now. That's a quick drop. 5 points. And Q just continuing to go down. Platinum, big drop. I'm going to still take that platinum trade because, you know, I don't really have anything to lose. How far can NQ fall? You just bet the ranch on it, didn't you? Okay, we are short on platinum. In at 991 even. So we'll be able to watch that there. Oh, are we ready to bounce an NQ? It's bouncing. Platinum's bouncing, that is. We're long on NQ as well. Boom. Out. 15 points on NQ. that quick. Thank you, John. Thank you, William. I could have got more out of it, obviously, but purple candle bounce, trying to come right back down. Platinum not looking good. Remember that Bulenox sale ends tomorrow if anyone's interested in 90% off. Not take that purple candle. Trying to get back above the 9. So far, that's a no-go. But I think it's gonna go. What the hell? What did I just do? I accidentally pressed something on something. RB is going. RB. Now you're trending on RB, John. Pull back now, but crude's pulled back. pulls back there a little bit. So that would have been nice. If I had held, that would have been a 50-point hold. Oh yeah, there we go. P out. Back down to my entry. So I was gonna do evening stream tonight. I can't guarantee that's gonna happen. See how my belly does. Blue candle. I think I want it above the 20 here, though. Has 30 seconds. Noses the 20 and comes down. Big part of me wants to just take the long here. Platinum starting to go my way. Up 5 ticks. AQ playing with my emotions. I should have taken that purple there, but I didn't. Platinum hanging right around my entry. Yeah, maybe now we're going to pop on NQ. Needs to get back above the 9 now for me to take it seriously. Reminder, folks, if you enjoyed today's stream, I appreciate if you'll gore that like button for me. Let everyone know that you enjoyed the stream. Still staying below the 9. I'm up 2 ticks on platinum. There's a blue candle pop. It's a 23-point pop. 28-point pop. Sniffs the 20. Breaks it. Big candle, 32 points. I hate really, really big candles. Hoping it continues the momentum. Boom. Doesn't continue the momentum, though. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. I'll just take it there. 10 points. So I dug myself a hole. At one point today, I was down over $500. Now I'm down $5.18. Thank you, Ace. Platinum still being problematic. Pulls back. Oh yeah, there's PL going.
I like having William here. He's my platinum monitor.
That said, I need to start doing multiple contracts on platinum because this is slow. Yeah, and I appreciate it. No, and I mean, I meant that. I appreciate it. It's hard for me to concentrate on multiple assets. Yes, we are. A couple people have passed it. Took the long here. This trade can make or break my day. Come on, go. Nope. It's running into resistance there. I didn't notice that, and I should have. Look at that. It's hit resistance there and there. And now this is the third time. Yep, it's gonna kill me. And stopped out. Dang it.
Bad trade. I hope I made it through the stream, guys, without any bodily functions happening. So I consider that a win.
I'm gonna hold. My stop on platinum is at 992.8, and it may continue trailing it down. Right, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it down to 992 even.
Looks like a little bit of choppiness here on NQ. Okay, sitting here. Sorry about that. Excuse me 1 second, guys. Yeah, there it's dropping. Dropping, dropping. So, okay, guys, I'm going to call it here. I'll let you know how that platinum trade works out, William, if you're in here tomorrow. I'm going to hold and try and get 86 and continue to trail it. See what happens there. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Maybe a stream this evening for Asia, maybe not. Depending on how I feel. If not, we'll definitely get back to Asia streams next week. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll either see you tonight or tomorrow. Bye. Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.